Hello! In this video, we will show you how to descale your Nescafé Dolce Gusto Eclipse. We recommend descaling Eclipse every 3 months, or if you see that the power button has turned orange. You can buy the Nescafé Dolce Gusto Durable Descaling Kit on our web shop. Pour the full bottle of descaling solution into 500 milliliters of drinking water. Make sure that the machine is off and hold the power button down for at least 5 seconds until it blinks green and orange. It will keep blinking throughout the process. The machine will automatically display 7 bars. Make sure the water tank is empty. Pour the descaling solution into the water tank and reinsert it. Take the rinsing tool. It helps drive the water flow during the descaling process. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can still descale Eclipse. Reinsert the capsule holder. Remove the drip tray. Use a container to collect the water. Press the touch button for hot. For about 2 minutes, the water flow will start and stop. You'll see the bars progressively going from 7 to 5 as the machine is descaling. When the touch button for cold blinks, press it. This time, you'll notice the flow is continuous. The bars progressively go from 5 to 4. For maximum descaling effect, the machine enters automatically in waiting mode for 2 minutes. When 4 bars and the touch button for hot reappear, you can start the rinsing. Empty the container and put it back. Rinse the water tank with drinking water. Then refill it with drinking water and reinsert it. The touch button for hot will now be blinking. Press it to start rinsing. Wait until the water stops. Empty the container and put it back. Refill the water tank again and reinsert it. The touch button for cold will now be blinking. Press it to continue rinsing. The water flow will stop when the water tank has emptied. At the end of the rinsing process, the power button will turn green. Remove the container. Put the drip tray back. Remove the rinsing tool and keep it for future use. Be careful of the water injector. Dry the inside of the head with a soft cloth. Rinse the capsule holder with drinking water. Dry and reinsert it. Switch off Eclipse. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy making great coffees with your Eclipse.